website. So today we are going to learn something new. If you didn't watch the previous video, you can go and watch it where we have explained how to create, for example, a click button here. And today I'm going to create another button, but this one it will be a drop down button. Like when we click the button, you will see a list of options where to choose. For example, a drop down button to change a background color. But this time when we create the button, it will just list the different options down. Then later we will create the JavaScript to change it, but for this video we will just create the drop down button list. And let's start it. Right now, if you want to create something, as I said, the drop down button, let me come here and start working on it. So the drop down, we need first something called label element tag. Label element tag. We can give a name for our label, like select color or select color is not bad. Select or select theme is much more better. Select theme. And here we need to add something called an attribute if later we want the select theme to work properly. But today I will just add the attribute, and in the later videos we will add the JavaScript to make it work properly. Let me give it an attribute called for attribute, the name of the value of this attribute, I can say theme here. That's correct. But what we need is a select element tag where we can choose between different colors. For that we have to write the select element tag here, and inside it we will list the different colors, for example, we want to choose. Right now in this select we can also give it an attribute called ID for later videos. ID can also be equals to theme. And inside the select we must have different options. Let's say option 1 by writing the option element tag, option here. What kind of color do we want to select first? Let's say green, for example. Green. Then we can copy and paste it as much as we want. Let's say 3 times. You can put here red, you can put here black, for example. You can also put here white, for example. White, with a capital letter. So right now we have those options: green option, red option, black, if I can write it correctly, option, and white option. This looks pretty. If we save this and come to our page here and now we load this page, we will see this. I will select them here, and this is a button, but a little bit different than this because those buttons are just normal buttons. But here, this is a drop down button. We can choose between green as here, red as here, black, white. It's up to us to choose. That is the way how to create a drop down button. But right now this button cannot change the color, for example, if we want to change it. But for later videos we will make sure that those colors name will match the background we want to. For example, if we select black, the background of this page will be black. But for right now, we keep things simple. That was for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And see you later. Bye.